Good day, everyone. Learn how to update your Samsung phone software. Whether you're using Galaxy or any series of Samsung phone, you will be able to update it. So here we will go to settings, and then we need to scroll down more, and here you will find software update. You can also search it if you're unable to find it. Software space update. The moment you click on, it says the download and install last checked on 27th of July. You can click on that and it will start looking for updates. And if there is any available update for your phone, you can simply install it. You can see it is right now downloading the update, and it may ask you to restart the phone. All right, so if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.